Okay, good afternoon. Welcome to
FamilyMath1155.
FamilyMath1155. So yesterday we looked at continued fractions, and in particular we looked at the continued fraction for square root of 2. And now today we're going to look at continued fractions a bit more, but on Mathematica. And Mathematica actually does a really great job with continued fractions. It gives us, it can calculate the continued fraction and the convergence, which are the fraction approximations. Mm-hmm. So describe what we have on the screen here.
Okay, so we have this a variable equals the square root of 2 basically, so 2 to the 1/2 power. N of a to 10 places just gives us the square root of 2 to 10 places.
Alright.
Convergence, 10 convergence, are the fractions that we get from the continued fraction of the square root of 2.
Yep.
And this just gives those numbers to 10 places, and then this gives us the continued fraction. So this would be interpreted as 1 plus 1 over 2 plus 1 over 2 plus 1 over 2.
Okay, so. Great. And from looking at the decimal expansions here, we can see actually that the convergence actually do converge pretty quickly on the number. So, like pick one that you think is an interesting one.
Oh, let's see. Maybe 17/12.
Okay.
Okay, so that's the fourth one. So we got here, and comparing 1.416 repeating to 1.41421, we've already got it to 2 decimal places after this fourth approximation.
Yeah.
And that would be a pretty good approximation for root 2.
Yeah, and with surprisingly low numbers actually, and keeping the numbers below 100, we can actually go 2 more over to 99/70ths.
Okay.
And
here.
Yeah. So what is that? How close is that?
Now we've got it to 3 decimal places. So we're at 1.414285714 compared to 1.414. Actually, we've got it to 4 decimal places.
So, I mean, yeah, I'm not sure. Maybe we're picking up a decimal point every time or close to it. So it's not too hard. I mean, even these numbers at the end for the 10th one are still below 10,000.
Yep. And
we're getting a very good approximation. All right, so try another number. Try another square root, actually, because I'm interested to see what those are.
We can just do the square root of 3.
Okay.
So, square root of 3 is around 1.732, about 1.732050808. And our approximations are 1, 2, 5/3, 7/4, 19/11, 26/15, and so on.
Go through them all. Yeah.
And let's see which one appears to be 26/15 appears to be a good one, because we don't see another good or better approximation until we get to the denominator 41.
Mm-hmm.
So 26/15 is the 6th one. So here 1.7333333, and that's compared to 1.732 basically.
All right.
So we've got it to 2 decimal places, and then the third is pretty close.
Okay, good. So we're going to go to the next video, and I'm going to have you look at a few more square roots, and instead now we're going to be focusing just on the actual continued fraction itself.
Okay.